Everything has gone completely bonkers with Shiba Inus. A critical juncture has been reached at this very moment. People get anxious when they have to move their tokens. To add insult to injury, Elon Musk now released something pretty unexpected. The developers of the Shiba Inu are irate. Coinbase is an optimistic signal that could save everyone and try to calm the panic. However, what is actually happening? Why is today so important anyway? But allow me to elaborate. Introducing Wealthy Coins, the Shiba for every day. If you are interested in Shiba and want to learn more, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Make sure to hit the like button to get more SHIB news. With its recent surge to prominence as one of the year's most actively traded digital currencies, the world-renowned meme currency has recently accomplished a major milestone in India. Its trading volume is actually higher than Bitcoin's. Kashif Raza, inventor of betting, recently wrote an essay on X in which he highlighted this remarkable performance and gave us a glimpse of the Indian crypto landscape for 2024. Bitcoin is. Despite Raza's initial suggestion that the statistics capture the whole Indian crypto ecosystem, it becomes clear that the majority of the activity is concentrated on CoinSwitch, a prominent exchange in the country. This year, approximately 1.8 million people, or more than 9% of CoinSwitch's users, have joined the Shiba Inu bandwagon, making it the most traded currency on the platform. Shiba Inu statistics are absolutely amazing. The current market situation isn't promising, notwithstanding the outstanding achievements of Shiba Inu. If you look at the daily chart and notice a double bottom pattern forming, it could mean that the trend is about to reverse. The Shiba Inu is now hovering around a very stable price and showing signs of stability. From a sailing perspective, though, not everything is peachy. The Shiba Inu is evaluating its support structures. If that doesn't work, we can see prices fall considerably more, with even lower support levels being tested. Price action outside of the current range has the potential to undermine the bullish pattern and portend further decline in the future. So what's going on with Shiba Inus? The price used to go up every day. Why isn't it just going up again? For Shiba Inu, though, things simply got more complicated. People have taken note of the recent market crashes, and Elon Musk just launched a huge update that made things worse for Shiba Inus. According to Musk, the X platform's content strategy will be rethought with a focus on reputation as the primary goal. A post's like count versus the account's ban or silent count will now be considered by X's new AI-powered mechanism. According to Musk, a lot of banned accounts will have a significantly smaller audience, which might significantly reduce their influence. The overall user experience has been greatly enhanced as a result of Musk's takeover. The most recent ranking is this one that is based on reputation. One good thing is that, as Musk said in a subsequent piece, it won't affect what has already happened. Also, it seems that Elon Musk's most recent update has nothing to do with Shiba Inu. Why would a change to X affect Shiba Inus anyway? I can see how you may be confused. Unimportant until Lucy's strong reaction, a Shiba Inu team member changed everything. She commented on a post regarding the update, contending that it was absurd because it punishes people for being blocked, regardless of whether they are merely expressing contentious opinions. She pointed out that it encourages dull, safe content rather than engaging conversations, and that it assumes credible sources are always correct, which is obviously not the case. This change, she argues, might cause echo chambers and goes against the very idea of free speech. This is quite important for Shiba-yans, especially given the current market situation. The current situation of Shiba-yans is somewhat unstable. The community is watching for signs of recovery with bated breath, and price stability is in question. X and similar platforms allow the Shiba Inu team to communicate with its followers, disseminate information, and build momentum. Shiba Inu's posts may thus have a smaller audience after Elon Musk's most recent update. If the team's communications don't reach the right people, investors, prospective customers, or even the community, it becomes far more difficult to maintain interest and support during the time when Shiba Inu needs it the most. This isn't a little issue. It might make it harder for the much-needed recovery of the Shiba Inu to be seen. impacting everything from price changes to major announcements. Adding insult to injury, the Shiba Inu market is already difficult, and hiding their updates could make matters far worse. Worse yet, when looking at the big picture, Bitcoin is likewise in a pivotal condition right now. The value of Bitcoin has been declining recently. Under the $85,000 support level, it has fallen. The question of how much more it will sink is now the most pressing one. Recent large-scale liquidations totaling $230 million have caused considerable market volatility. Traders in long positions took a major hit, losing almost $181 million. The progress of Bitcoin is closely monitored by the whole cryptocurrency market, including Shiba Inu. Whenever Bitcoin has a problem like this, the entire market tends to fall along with it. The value of Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies is affected by the anxiety of investors. If Bitcoin continues to show a negative trend or experiences more price declines, Shiba Inu could face even more downward pressure, making it harder for the price to rebound. The general market mood affects Shiba Inu's ability to overcome its current obstacles. In addition, the current state of Bitcoin and Shiba Inu's is not good. So everything is connected, and Bitcoin's issues are understandable considering Shiba Inu's current price concerns. Just why, though, is this happening to every cryptocurrency? Why is the market so pessimistic and scary right now? So this is the scenario. An historic options expiration is happening tomorrow, which will have a profound impact on Bitcoin. Think about this if you're attempting to figure out what rights it grants. The largest options expiry ever, with a staggering $15 billion at stake, occurs when specific Bitcoin financial bets either pay off or disappear. Let me explain why this is so scary. Market anarchy can occur when a large sum of money is riding on a single event. The outcome of those bets can have a significant impact on the prices. No one can say for sure what the future holds. Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency sector as a whole are practically on the brink of disaster. The unpredictability means that weaker currencies such as Shiba Inu would need a lot more time to make a recovery. All eyes are on the impending impact. Despite the mounting bad news, Shiba Inu maintains an optimistic outlook. An extremely powerful signal, possibly turning the tide, was recently sent by Coinbase. There have been some big moves made by whale investors recently. A whale on Ethereum recently stunned the market with a massive Coinbase transaction. The transfer of 6,700 Ethereum tokens with a combined value of more than $22 million from Coinbase to Coinbase Institutional. So why did this whale just move? Consequently, it is a very promising sign for the market. Offering secure storage and over-the-counter trading options, Coinbase Institutional service is tailor-made for large-scale clients. These investors typically behave intelligently and deliberately after conducting extensive research. The whale may be holding for the long haul, perhaps anticipating a rally in the future if this trend continues. The market might be far more robust if this is true. The self-assurance of major players can have a domino effect that helps cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. This whale's move might trigger a positive market shift, giving Shiba Inu the boost it needs, if it's about Ethereum's long-term security. With everything else going on at the moment, this kind of conduct catches the eye of traders and could reveal Shiba Inu's future price outlook, among other important things. The cryptocurrency season has hardly started. A lot of people have been talking about how the cryptocurrency rush is about to cease, but one Twitter user recently got it exactly right. A lot of people say the altcoin era is ended, but the truth is that it hasn't even begun yet. And they even included charts to back it up. This suggests that there is room for change in the market, and that cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu could experience substantial price changes once the season begins. Although things appear bleak at the moment, the start of altcoin season could bring new opportunities, especially